summer just begun. Party all night until we see the sun. Call up the plug.
Roll me like a piece of macaroni, and then you curry brown me, and then you steam me down. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. On purpose of when I get out, go up on my screen. Where have you been? I promise you. Listen, you see when I see me post a vlog, don't feel no way about it. Like honestly, truly don't feel no way about it, because I, hand to my heart, if I don't pick up this camera to vlog anything, it's because nothing is genuinely going on. Remember that I work from home. Half of the time I'm in the house, guys. There's some days when I realize that I haven't been outside for the whole week, like literally just to go stand up on my door and catch the sun. So those things that me I try like get Hollywood or go on brand new plan. No, but this weekend we do have something to do, because Red Stripe is bringing your girl to Sunfest. And you know, it's crazy because like in May, June, I was like, you know, the lineup for Sunfest this year is so nice, and I've always said if Tony Braxton have a concert I would want to go, but then I was like, accommodation, all of that, But you see my God, one thing about me and him, we locked in. So him listened to me and he came through. So I'm going to be spending the weekend in Montego Bay with Red Stripe. So what I'm going to do now, because today is Wednesday, Sunfest is Friday. I need to go and get an outfit for night 2. I have my outfit for night 1 already. I just need like a few accessories and a shoe. I need a pair of heels. Just listen to me, it's gonna come together. And then that's basically it for that. Once I get an outfit for night 2 and I get the shoe to finish off night 1 outfit and some accessories for both nights, I'll be fine. The other thing I need to do is stop by my shopping company. I'm gonna know why requests are put me now, because I ordered my extra batteries for the camera and they have been at customs for the longest time. I'm gonna say, yo, why I can't get the battery them, give me the battery them, and now it's like I really need the batteries for the weekend, because it's in an instance like this way the battery drain fast. I'm gonna need for, you know, switch it out and recharge. And but yeah, I'm literally about to head out the door. I am going to a shoe store first to try and get the wedge. It's a wedge that I'm seeking, like one of them board one there with the strap up. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And then afterwards I'm going to go to Halfway Tree. I'm going to go to Brick Brand to try to get the accessories and see if, honestly, Shami, jeez, get yourself together. Honestly, the first store that I'm going, I don't know if I'll buy the wedge there. I'm just going to look, because Brick Brand has way better options in my opinion than where I'm going. But sometimes where I'm going surprises me, so that's why I go there. You understand? So yeah, let's head out. Oh, my little outfit of the day. Hold on. This is my little OOTD. I'm wearing this little crop top that mommy got me. I'm wearing a pair of light wash jeans. I'm gonna put on my slides and my little road bag. Why you're going in and out of focus? I guess because it's a little dark, but yeah, it's when I head out now, it's getting a little later than I anticipated. So I'm gonna go. You know what I realized the other day? I can do some accents fairly well, except the American accent. Like me have a Trini accent to a little part, like, cause I like mimicking them when them talk, and it's not like being disrespectful. And I just find it so, I find their accent so cute, because they're like, you wanna go to the party, like, you know, like I really hungry now. Like I really could go and eat some doubles. You know, but I can't do an American accent. I just know how to talk standard Jamaican English. So if you think so, no. I don't twang. I just talk standard Jamaican English, because I used to read a lot when I was growing up, And right. It might sound Upper St. Andrew, but I don't come from Upper St. Andrew. Right. So what go on? I know that I'm going to have a problem finding what I want, just because I don't feel like that style of wedge is. Right, Abby? I don't feel like that style of wedge is like here. But so I can see. I can go Brick Brand and see. That's where I'm gonna head now. What am I telling them about Brick Brand? Brick Brand is just, they just understand. I got it, well, not exactly. So I want that look more like what I wanted, but they don't have a size, but. You see one thing about me, but if I just follow my mind 100% of the time, I can't go wrong, because I know if me I look for certain like current stuff, I have to come to Brick Brand. And for clothes, have to come to Posh by V. And if you didn't know, yes, Posh by V has a physical outlet here in Jamaica. It's at Southdale Mall. If you go somewhere and you want to step out like a, yeah, this is not promo, obviously not. I just went in there and spent my money. But if you're going somewhere and you want to step out like a hot girl, I guarantee you, if you step into Posh by V, you're gonna find something. So I want you guys to guess which outfit I went with from them, because as you can see, I tried on quite a few stuff. And I'm showing it. Want to know for guess. Just because I want to know for guess which one I went with, and then when I will sip on night to which one I actually buy. I will say though, that white one, it's so cute. It's just not for my body type. Like, you have to have the hourglass BBW thing I go on for you. You know, your hip for out there, your body for up there, your breast for waist for small for weird, but it's so nice. And let's first stop in front of me. I got a few stuff in Brick Brand. I saw powder puff, so I buy it because I've never tried it before. But you know what, I always want to try new things when I'm serious place I'm going. I probably won't try it this weekend, but bought a few little chingling accessories, kind of amp up the look. And I found the wedge. No, I said it's not exactly what I wanted, because these parts I was hoping it would be like gold or nude, and I did find a nude one, but it was way, like, the height was way smaller and it was a bit uglier in the front, I'm not gonna lie. So got this one. It's not too high, it's very comfortable to walk in. I'm gonna see how it looks with the outfit, and yeah, hopefully it go good, else I have to go tweak the outfit a little bit. Oh crap, double-sided tape, I never remember. Can probably get that tomorrow. And then say, me I got my shipping company now. I'm gonna eat now from morning, so I'm gonna come go home afterwards. I'm gonna get something to eat and then come go home. But yeah, as it relates to beautification, I put on some person tomorrow, because as I said, super last minute. I would love to do my lashes, but super last minute, and me and clusters not really work out because I can't see so well without the glasses, like for put them on, so I end up I always stick myself in my eye just there up, man. So yeah, I just got bounce it with my strip lashes, and that should be all. I'm going to go home and see what shoes I have that I can wear with the thing that I just bought from Posh Baby. So yeah, let's go to request and pray to God to them have mother something them. It would be a miracle. I really don't. Let's go. Suppose me sit down on my yard and say me I wait for an email for come cut and package. I have a package. Then have the package. These days, I've never, like, me never used to side with car unboxing. Me not gonna tell you that. I used to burn it out. I used to say, foolishness that. But me just want to see what I have immediately. Instead of I drive, go home and get, you know what? Me I go wait to me, I'm too impatient. Me so soon. Me I go get something to eat and then go home. I really hope so the camera watch today and I'm really hope so my moisturizer then so okay. My moisturizer done good. Moisturizer, my moisturizer finished. And I haven't been using any moisturizer on my face for the past week. And that has been hell. That's my personal hell. I never used to always use moisturizer. You know what? I'm so soon. Hi there. It is 4:45 p.m. Thursday. I have not packed or anything, but what I have done is I did a full try on with the outfits and everything for the outfit is together. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm packing. I never start packing when my video that, but me start pack now. I'm almost done. I mean, it's just 2 days. I don't like packing. I'm going to be very honest. I don't like packing because it creates too much paranoia. I always feel like I forget something, and I just don't like it. Don't like it at all. Especially because this is a very equipment heavy trip for me. But the simple fact that I am going there on business. Okay. So I need to ensure that I have every single thing I need for film. And that is a whole heap of something to remember. So yeah, I just hope. I probably put some of this stuff in the car from tonight because I don't want to forget nothing. So yeah, I'm so soon. I have to focus.
Be put up, bitch, like what the fuck? Slide down, happy with the brew, you know we did it fuck. He want me back, her here, can't get no coochie out the queen. Put some Lulu on his butt. Fucking around, we getting money fresh to death.
Good morning. It is Friday morning. I'm getting ready to leave. Whatever my vlog yesterday in the night, I know saying that makes sense, but we're gonna just move past it and we're going like so that never happened. So I'm all packed. All my equipment is in that bag over there. Well, not all of them because some of them in the trunk already. And everything else that I need is in the suitcase, I think. Fingers crossed. So I am going to head out. I just need to stop at the ATM and the gas station, and then we will make our way to Montego Bay. So this is the OOTD. I never put on nothing too much because I'm going to be in this for a while until I'm going to get ready for the event. So yeah, I'm wearing my sandals today and this little romper. I think I got it from Shein. So I'm head in a jail braids. What? It so makes sense. Just do right. Before I look okay. Don't worry about it. It so makes sense. If my face look white, that is sunscreen. That is sunscreen. So I don't even know if it's like a dry down, to be honest, telling you the truth. This is the one that I showed you guys, the Panaxo one, and it's still giving me a white cap. I don't know why listen, I'm tired for buy skincare. I'm tired for experiment with skincare at this point. I just need God for bless me with clear skin because I am annoyed. Anyways, we're gonna leave now, so I will see you guys on the road. Alright guys, look who it is. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Let me face look white. So.
Oh,
yeah, she called me OT. Anyways, we're about to start the journey for real because we did stop and get gas and do a look around our room. It's now 12:48. Me did well. It depend on the toll. Like depend on we are go to the toll by 12 o'clock. But you know what? It never work out, so and that is fine. How you feeling, mommy?
Great.
So we're going to Sunfest. Yeah. So she in here bouncer like a 90s juggling. I'm gonna leave her to it. And I was still know when I reach. If I don't get any footage of the toll, it's the glasses. So yeah. Guys, you know, I just remember the first time we go Sunfest. I don't think someone did start drive yet. Like have a car for her own. So she did rent one red Corolla. Yes. Jesus God. So I would have pressed the gas on the car nah go.
No, something wrong with our car.
Yeah, I think, and would you get a rental?
Oh my
Mighty God of Daniel, the car would go.
The car not have no power.
So and sink her big toe in the gas and the car barely move. And every car will pass. When they pass the car feel like lift up off like toll. Paper memories. But you know what I found so funny? The first time I went to Sunfest was when Buju in first performance after him get released. I know the second time I go, I can't tell first performance after him get released at Sunfest, not in Jamaica.
Right.
So you know, it feels all cool. It feels meant to be. But yeah, they take the time. Yeah, what is this? I think these glasses matter. Yes, I think I understand how far with the from a toll booth, you know. This is madness. Oh boy. People tell me where I'm going for the people in the hotel. Welcome here. Welcome for that me turning on the people in Sandals Hotel. Well, I give me name my gate. Them not find my name. The people say come in and park, man. It's no worries. Them still not find the name. I'm calling. Liaison, whatever I want to pronounce. I say Sandals, I say no girl, a secret. Me shame people. Me shame. But now I'm up on my way I go secrets. I've been to secrets before. Nice hotel, you know that. But my thing.
Take the third exit onto Queens Drive.
I swear things Sandals me go. But anyway, we're up on my way. So when I reach, you know see me all take video of people in sign. I so come. We in a traffic. Like really bad traffic. But yeah. On our way to secrets. After watching hours later, I finally made it. I'm a little bit flustered now because I am hungry and it is 5 after 5. So as soon as we get something to eat, I forgot to start get ready. Is this focusing even? Like I'm low-key annoyed. So yeah, I'm gonna find what I need for go check in. And when I get to the room, I will talk back to you guys. We are checked in. Was the camera on? It was. Look, as now this is the 2 bar. I'm gonna charge it still. We are checked in and this is the room. I'm gonna give you guys a proper view of the room. Whew. We have some celebrities beside us actually. You know, the star of tonight's show is recording something next door, so that's fun. Oh, if I order room service. Aye. When I'm pressing them pop off, guys. I don't have the glue with me. Order room service then put it in myself. Alright, so this is as you walk in. If you order room service, they put it in this the closets here. The bathroom, I get a tub. This is a shower, that's a toilet, mirror. And then this is the bedroom. I thought it would be 2 beds, but it's actually 1, which is fine because it's just me and mommy. How this go? Oh, you open this. Okay, you slide it. So you can open up the bathroom to the room. We won't be doing that because, as I said, it's me and mommy. And then TV, little seating area, and a balcony. I'll go there. Oh crap, so I'm gonna show people in place. Seating area. And yeah, my main concern right now is something to eat. I think I'm gonna try and find somewhere to find something, and then we're gonna come up and start get ready because the call time is 9:30 p.m. and it's 5:44. So yeah, we have to get a move on it. So I'll find something to eat, yeah. Guys, why did I think this battery was charging and it was not? Oh my god. I forgot to plug it in right here. So that battery charger is something I'm gonna buy. It doesn't seem to be working. I need this damn thing to tighten up because I'm gonna need the power. Exactly. Act like you have some sense. So yeah, I'm going to start doing my makeup now. If you carry all the stuff in. And really actually, we can't go do this today. If I bring my robe, so I'm just gonna put on a little bright. Actually guys, I'm just gonna make this go on charge, and when I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna come back to it because I don't have time for foolishness. I get one ad failure already since then I can't take a second one, so I'll come back to it now. Alright guys, so the hair is done, makeup is done. It's currently 8:57. The shuttle is coming at 9:45, but I want to take some content. My main objective here, by the way, is to do Instagram content. So right now, I'm gonna catch you in the back because I'm gonna put on my clothes and then make some, and then come back. Alright guys, so this is the outfit and this is how my hair is looking. I don't know if I can't see it properly, but then I get the vision. Oh, I'm showing the outfit. Whoa. When I put on my shoes yet, but I'm about to. This is how we're looking. Yeah, I'm about to put on my wedge now, so when I put that on, I will show who knows. This is how we're looking. Nice. Alright, so this is the outfit with the shoe. Can you guys see it? I can't see from so far. But yeah. Oh, my bag. Wait. This is my little decoy bag just to tie the outfit together. But really and truly, I'm bringing my pink totes that I brought all my stuff in because I need too many stuff to get the content. So this is how we're looking. So I'm going to get these things out of the way and then I will see you guys when I'm heading down to the lobby to get on the shuttle.
Oh, you eating from the back and the front. Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah, you're sure I people.
Yes, girl. I love this. I love it. 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 I love it.
My peers to them decide say them now gonna stick on to this.
We are so you just out some risky stuff.
Out.
They're not the kind.
Them not stick on.
Hey.
But just have to go.
Yeah. You know that eat ya, it kinda.
Yeah. One day I'm gonna wear one brand new one.
To cover up.
One day I'm gonna wear one brand new one. I was probably like the KFC something. When I come home, it down in my clothes with a pool of sweat in the middle.
Outside, at the true, like maybe you don't have to wear one of the paper one, and you know the paper one?
Yeah. I had some, but them not reach it.
Make up the paint too.
What's your bag that you bringing to go with this? Yes, love it.
Give me a tone on my carrot for you.
Perfect.
Like how you just have
What's the signature pose? You have to practice them things then. Yes, yes.
Yes, I'm practicing it too.
You can't take it.
Back camera.
Sorry, we're gonna have you know.
Yeah, what's it now? Alright, yeah.
Bye.
We're gonna head down to the lobby now, guys. So, I'm gonna say what up. Why? Who am I there on the shuttle? Yeah. Come here, I forget, make sure I have everything what we need. Yeah, alright. And one thing about my makeup and time, you know, I don't forget to Jamaican people bad deal, but you know what? I'm here on business. I don't want it to be said that I hold up the shuttle. So I took my little mother ass down here on time, right, mommy? Yeah. Right. Oh, mommy outfit, you never see it. When we stand up my show, no? Yeah. Alright guys, so I made it, but since I got here, I've been doing the Instagram content I'm doing guys about. So, I don't even get here, man. What? But I don't know what for mommy out there. And I am here with my red stripe mango tango. I'm matching. Mega fish me can't find mommy. That's mommy's OOTD. I'm just standing in front of the booth because I would have understood.
Harry Toddler.
This Sunfest experience very bougie, yeah. You know what I'm bougie? We in an elevated area. We get to watch a show with comfort.
Feeling a little frustrated.
And I and now she
Your confidence, how you feel? How do you little time to fight with God? I'm calling the chick on Friday morning. Richard, me say it every time. Spending money for you, how you find out? I do your ear and your ear get a ride up. And you want me, you're 29 cold. You're magic and you do something to my soul. You're pretty and you're bad and you are right bold. Need you want this someone I'm in it. You're down, you're out 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 in it. You're down. But she is being done past the fuck. We got my cat to make it out lost the choke. Riches are close up, past the call. When I was like that, half the time, I felt as I have I walk side to the landslide. And we run Bobby. Mr. C and Mr. Canterbury. Mr. Rosite. They are looking at Bobby. The outside tell white stole a coffee store. Outside kitchen now. 17 shows up. Hey, Sunfest! Oh, my God! One more time,
guys, the Red Stripe team told us that Cartel will be coming on at 3. It's 3 and Massacre just done perform and them say big bargain time, so I'm ready. So ready. After this, we feel like we're gonna come. Yeah.
people, white people, I'm here to say that you're saying alone, you're Jamaica. What is the song of my name? It's funny. How when them see night.
Guys, good after morning. My soul turned the camera upon myself and my soul recap last night. But last night, yeah. So we're getting ready to go down for lunch because it's like 2-1. We woke up late because we got in like 6 o'clock. And look what, we just got a knock on our door. And God, listen, the team at Red Stripe, they are so thoughtful. It's giving, they ordered room service to everybody because they know everybody would. Love it. This is the life we should be living. Right here is so nice for a picture. I think this is where I want to try to take pictures tonight. But we're heading to buffet here. Error. We still are going at the buffet, and then afterwards we're gonna go to the beach so I can get the other content that I need to complete the deliverable. Well, not complete because I still have to do night too, but this is how the beach is looking. I haven't been to a hotel in so long. Super nice. Last time we go on a hotel was when we come secrets and go breakfast. Yeah. So mommy over there, mommy tell them hi. We have so much to talk about, guys. We have, last night was so eventful. So eventful. But when we sit down, we come back to it. Yeah, and the woman this will eat fish and mashed potato while ago. I not make it do that way, I say exactly what you do. Thank you. I say exactly what you do.
We're still hungry.
People, I must keep them for tonight and not go back. But I gotta check again. I gotta double check and triple check. It should be there. I don't see why it wouldn't be in there. But yeah, last night was good, but it ended on a very rough note because for whatever reason,
Black Kings, people come out at night, son.
stampedes happened. Still don't know why they happened, and they happened at such an important moment in the performance. So I really actually don't know what happened, but yeah, mommy ended up getting squeezed up. But glory be, we never get no injuries. We see a lot of people actually get severely injured. Somebody broke them knee and all sorts of something. So just have to give thanks it never worse for us than it was. But yeah, overall last night was good. It was good. I hope tonight will be more chill though with the crowd, because the crowd last night was on 10. Just because you know, yeah. But we're heading to the beach right now. I'm at the beach. Where are you?
I'm at the beach. Where are you?
Chilling with my red stripe mango. Honestly guys, red stripe mango is so good. If you love mango, it don't even really taste like beer. It just tastes like a carbonated mango drink. It's so good. But me love mango is my favorite fruit, so maybe me a bit biased, but it tastes so good. I love a mango, so it's perfect for me. Honestly, my favorite one was lemon lime before the mango. Now the mango take the #1 spot, not gonna lie. It will be seeing me more often in the supermarket. Well, seeing me in the supermarket. When it reach there, go and grab one. But I'm just there, so chill out. It's currently 2:33. As I don't know, call time at 9:45. I try to take my time today and not rush like last night. So probably start get ready by 4 o'clock. Come down, eat dinner and the makeup, and then just go up and get dressed. Because we really need to eat dinner tonight. We didn't eat at all yesterday. Only a little pizza and patty something morning, so we didn't get. So yeah, I'm just big chilling right now. The housekeeper is in the room too, so just like give her some time to do our thing, and then we'll go up. I think we want to take a nap until like 4 o'clock. So yeah, listen to me, we are a team determined for not hungry today. 2 patty, 2 slices of pizza. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna give mommy one of them because it's not chicken and the chicken I want, and one of them they are mine. I must say, no man, mommy, you develop a hearty appetite.
Well, actually, I didn't devour the plate that I got, the second
True,
one.
she wasted a lot of the stuff.
I just tasted. I saw something that I liked and I just tasted.
Listen,
okay?
me going there and me never look for nothing but soup.
Because guess what? The fish was real good. The fish was
the fish that she got this morning was really
and the
nice.
Irish was real good. But you see, because you know when you feel like say you never did full. Yeah, I mean that's going to eat up the vegetable.
Yeah, the fish was actually really good. Not gonna lie. I go see if we can get a piece of jerk chicken right here, so now though. Gluttonous, I know. I don't ask you for help, please God. I don't ask you for help. This is real God. I don't ask you for help. Please, God. Sweetheart! It's 5:07. And we're gonna check if we can go get food now. And then we'll just come back and get ready. You see, me I tell you guys, I'm not asking for it, but me asking for the strength tonight. For people, they look. I forget that sometimes when you wear new shoes, it chip up your foot tonight. The way it chip up my foot last night. So wearing sandals kind of uncomfortable right now. I want to take a fat nap, but I know if I lay down at 9 o'clock, me I wake up. And at 9:45, we go downstairs for the shuttle. So we're just going to get food and we're going to the buffet and then we're gonna get ready. I saw a whole heap of people get injured. Well, I saw where the ambulance was, a whole heap of people did line up there last night. Broke. Me saw beer broke up, go and people get swollen eye, cause people step up in them head, one bag of stuff. I just have to thank God. Like honestly, it's crazy how we were in the, like we were right there. And then we decided to, alright, come ready for going out. It wasn't, we know I said the bus I leave at 5. So me leaving from where I was standing at like 4:15, 4:20 was just like, I'm just gonna meet the bus. And then literally like 7 minutes after that the stampede started. Sometimes hey, you have to follow the man, you know? Follow the man. When you God tell you something, follow it. Mommy, just pray everybody will end up get sent to the hospital, then recover quick, and it's not too like permanent. Like anything will happen to them, it can be fixed within a year time. Cause obviously broken bones are gonna take a while to heal. But yeah, me hear say somebody kneecap broke. I think I'm telling you that. Like, I never know say kneecap could have broke. But yeah.
That will show you how
Like the sound that it made was crazy. Like me watch everybody a video cartel to leaning over and I hear
Alright, Shami was at a different place. I thought she was out there because I was threatening that she got pushed down and got hurt. Me, where I was, trust me, I'm paranoid. Everybody came rushing down on me and I couldn't.
Because when I say we were in the booth, so everybody run come in at the booth.
Everybody, and my foot got squeezed up and I jump up and the thing now when me see more people coming because me I say where me I go run go. One man jump over one count and go hide. I'm in a wrong him because if me did that, so me run over I too. So when me hear, and when me see Shami now, I'm happy because I cry, me don't cry now. Because me talk to my daughter out there and the man, one man turned and said, no, the young girl that was sitting here, so I say, yeah. And him said, no, she went upstairs. I said, no, she out there was taking video or something. And he said, no man, she gone. No, where mommy, she gone. And when me look, me she sharp, hurry up, come down. So I was so happy when me saw her, but people,
yeah.
a speedy recovery.
As I said, once me hear the sound and me I listen out, and me not hear no gunshot, me I say, man, a New Rose part 2. I literally did the same thing at New Rose.
For no reason
and
though.
Jump. No, we're not up to this day, we don't know what happened.
Why?
You just see the whole crowd lift up and jump come over which part with it.
And a lot of like water splash and there was no water there. So some don't know what water.
Come on girl. We up here chat like say we have all the time in the world. Come here room key and come my darling there. But dear, my love. See what are them over there so? Sweetheart. That golden hour sun is hitting. I come down here without my halfway. Anybody will see me earlier supposed to say what I get like here girl. She's so listen, that hair is so convenient. I just pop it on and off, but right now I can't bother with nothing from my back, so yeah. I can pass. Not gonna yawn. This smells really good. Time I go, I just go for computers, so they might take so long. That's because they might take too long, but I think we can be done by 7. I'll update you guys. I'm not gonna know how that goes. 10 out of 10, 100%. Recommend. When the results, if it tastes bad, my tag said it tastes bad, but this good. It's so good. So good. So it's 7 o'clock. Somebody telling you? It's 7 o'clock, so I can wrap this up and head upstairs to get ready.
Can't chat to me right now because my belly full and the food tastes good. Me adopt me to over a secret bar. The chef them happenings, them poppings, them come right out.
You see, if me evil so much I sit down on the bed, me go sleep right now.
My face.
Gone like a jet. Me hear them.
You ever say you want some good food to eat and think, well, we get the good food, we just feel the
We went to Blue Mountain, by the way.
Yeah.
That's where we had dinner. The escovitch fish it never reached Elsha, but it could have decided Elsha, you know? Yeah.
Well,
it could have given sharkies.
It good.
Yeah.
I tell you. We not take nothing from it. It good. Good.
We always bash them, like, not this hotel, but, you know, whenever we come, like,
some of them never usually put effort. You can see the improvement. Them gone on top, them are lead right now.
Sleepy. Alright, so I am halfway through getting ready for night 2. I just need to put on my trusty dusty half wig and fix it, and then we're good to go. Put on my outfit, of course, as well. I'm not gonna show the makeup process, but to be honest, I have nothing to talk about, and a few of my products are finished, so I'm going to re-up, and I think I'm going to change them, so I never see the point in showing it if I not recommend it. Understand what I say? So I'm just plopping this hair wig on my head. I've had it for a very long time, and I feel like it'll come to its end. Like I feel like it has stayed dry now, and the curls are a lot looser than what they were when I initially got it. This is it, by the way. I got it as a headband wig from Wiggins years ago. I'm gonna cut off the band and just use it as a half wig ever since. Oop, it's 9 o'clock. I have 45 minutes. So I need to hurry up. Just like that, I put 5 comb in there, so it's like pretty secure. I'm gonna go for the same half up, half down tonight because I don't have time for nothing else. I need to go try and get some pictures, stuff like that. Can you guys believe that I forgot the most important tool for this hairstyle, which is Denman brush or a paddle brush, anyone. Get this done, and then I will talk back to you guys when I have on my outfit, I think. Yeah. Well, the ear not up as expected. I did not detangle it last night. Brother. Oh boy. What's so good? Alright guys, so this is my outfit for night 2. So if you guessed this green jumpsuit when I went to try on the outfits, you guessed correctly. Yeah, this is it. My background is so. And the only thing I'm taking, did you show me the last night so I carry one bag on? I did, but tonight I'm only taking my tripod, so I don't have that much load. And yeah, I think we are ready for night 2. Wait, mommy, come show them my outfit. Mommy, come show them my outfit.
Oh, you know this outfit from a while back.
Period. Well, no. Go this and give them the mad load. Properly, man. What kind of slapdash come in that? That is what I'm talking about. Period. Yes. Right. Grown and sexy. Right. Alright, so here we go. Head down in a few. And yeah, I will see you guys when we are at night 2 of Sunfest. And we are back at the Red Stripe Flavors Mommy segment this.
I love you so much. Pressure was fine. Oh, and I just wanted to.
She have the right, rasta down. From the beat of the baseline. She's a new bullet, and she's small. I say she.
Guys, I went to rasta and eat egg and jerk chicken. Go so. Maybe do. Cause some can't go so. Egg and jerk chicken. Where egg and jerk chicken do?
Why is that one on car going?
I did say when 3 o'clock come, whether she will come out or whether she not come out, me I left. Alright. See?
We have to leave. We catch a little part.
So I have to leave early to go back to Kingston morning, people. I can't. I'm so wicked to myself. Love her, but girl. So don't go hour and a half and wait for she to come and see.
They take long to come on.
Girl. I will see you guys when I get back to the hotel.
Tonight was a better night.
You think so with all of them wait time there between the set them?
Well, in terms of eliminating what happened.
Well, any night without that would have been a better night, but...
Correction. I think this is our problem, but they need to fix the long wait time we have to wait.
No, but we didn't have to wait long yesterday.
No, not yesterday, for like this time. Because tonight we'll have to wait between sets. Too long. You must can come up with a different solution when artists come on. And the whole bunch.
Nice. I have this ash white light in my face. But yeah, every artist want to use them on a band, so.
Yeah. We were entertained at the booth though.
I lift my lash, I lift up from here. This is because I'm so tired.
She's tired.
So tired.
She's so tired. I'm so tired.
Made it back to the Hotel Yeli in one piece. Thank God. It only took a couple minutes. Crazy that I can't hear the performance from here. It's 3:20.
You know, you didn't the apps. Tony Braxton now perform the come back.
Listen,
you know, the matter, everybody have a call.
It's crazy how Mommy and I decided to leave at 3, whether or not she decides she'll come out. And it's like she hears, she feel the energy, and she says, I'm going to come out, car. She will say she'll go away. You understand? And then I sat in the bus and the whole team came to the bus. So I reached back at the hotel and the security was like, why the whole I will not come back? That's what I performed. So that's very telling of the performance that she's giving. I'm not telling a lie, it's very never worth staying. That's all I have to say. Yeah, it's our last night here. Really grateful for the experience, you know. It got put up. Didn't have to worry about transportation to the event. Had our own little section in the event. It was nice. Big up Red Stripe. And if you haven't yet, or if you don't know, the mango flavor is not available. So you guys can go ahead and check it out. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna pack up my bongo. Make sure it's neat and nice. I'm not for stress out myself. And undo all of this and go to bed. Amen. See you in the morning. I just said I got see you in the morning. What may I say? You can just do a little get already. Hey, did I crutch me? Murder! Hotel edition. Wanna sleep? Sweetheart. Yeah, we couldn't have that sickness there where you have ticks in a car. I mean, I say the most out of pocket things are the most.
Say the what?
Out of pocket things at the worst times. Because my mind goes. And when it go far. Yeah, whenever I get to use a tub. There's a whole tub in here. Rating of Sunfest this year?
6 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a strong 6.
5 too.
A strong 6.
Yeah, it's not going with that time.
I feel like the year when I come initially, that was the that's also a very long time. Well, not very long time ago. That's like 2018, 2019. That was a good. Minus the band change. The band change is a major issue back then.
Major and still is that issue.
Still is, but it's not as bad as them time. And them time then, mighty God of Daniel. It was terrible. But last night, they really improved with the band change thing last night. Yeah, I have a little bit left.
Oh, tell me who's that? Them and them,
Them, I don't know how they managed to make last night flow up on time, but they did. But see this look of something, you know, listen, I did say this was hotel version. I forget if I bring my, well, the wipes there and the camera, forget to take it out. My sister, there's something here, I don't know what it is for. It was in a disposable packet, so don't come for me. I'm gonna use it, wipe up my last night, I'm gonna wash it out, and it never wash out. I'll use the other side tonight.
What is that?
I still don't know, you know, just every time I don't know what.
The shoe something?
Yeah, shoe meat.
How clean the shoes it look like?
Well, it a clean my face. I'm not tell a lie. We did well tonight for Europe and come and done. Because the way you sleep, they don't damn me.
People I'm saying, yes, that's it.
No, like everybody's low-key annoyed by Tony's performance.
Because when she come out and them, she say, I've lived some challenge.
The woman come out and a straight instrumental me here to the point where so she starts singing it and I see the mic her mouth and she has
and then that time she moved the mic.
And we are here nice. So me I say, well on there. How I go on up there, sir? Really lip syncing?
Lip syncing. That's what the Americans them good for when you carry them, yeah.
Boy, glad we come out to see this. I'm glad we end it safe. Prayers up for
I'm
all
most
the
grateful
people
for the opportunity to come. The hotel was good. The food left a mark on me.
But I had to order food. Listen, I don't know if you don't know, but on Saturday and Sunday, I don't like get up out of my bed any day of the week. But on Saturday and Sunday, worse. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I will hear me say, me I wake up 8 o'clock for going to breakfast and will say the food tastes good.
May I tell you?
The food tastes good, man. Secret St. James, not Wild Orchid, just to clarify. We went to Wild Orchid and it's the same restaurant. Alright.
Correction, them improve.
It's the same restaurant, so them improve.
I mean, I tell you, so them improve overall, because even out there, they never feel something. Them only like one miss, I want something or so and so. What them
I can't speak on the drinks because I haven't had anything to drink other than the welcome champagne.
This the mixed drink?
Yeah.
I can't go on with that.
Yeah.
At 5 out of 10, I give them plan them day.
But the snacks and the food and all of that.
The pizza make me help mark them down too. The topping.
No, alright. I'm not going to use that judge them because that's just one little snack. But then pizza tastes like, it come like crackers with toppings on it. But that's a form of pizza, like not flatbread. But Domino's will make pizza like that too if you request it. So it's a type of death order for the pizza. Yeah, ja.
Rastafari.
Alice Rasta. It's time to use my kojic acid soap and cleanse my face. Again, not promo. Bought this with my hard-earned money. I think it's $1,600 for it. The kojic acid soap.
You got it?
I've been using it for months.
Everybody.
One girl.
Oh.
One girl for Instagram.
Oh, my heart. Say you love me again. them a champagne. And then now, most of them are going.
You can't.
Them are weird fancy hear that, yo.
When you walked out the door and walked out of my life.
Come up there, go with her. She gonna go up there dance like a she. Dance them to dance, come on.
You know which song me did I wait for you? I wish that I was in your arms like that Spanish guitar that you would play till the dawn.
Tell us some good song, you know. She needs to do.
You sing a song?
Yeah. Leader did a very good performance. Irene did a singing performance.
Mr. Irene upset. Mr. The man pissed me off.
Irene said.
Irene up there come talk about how Rasta and them egg and jerk chicken. Before him sing the song, one man cannot satisfy her. And that me come for ear, sir. From the name ear, say Irene they put line up me and say, alright, nigga here, one man can't satisfy her. And this man up there come talk about in which community and also that's what the concerning and don't sing this song.
Did the man touch up the people them call them and say, alright, the time up, yeah. Yeah, man, that's the time up. I was so
annoyed.
Okay,
sir.
I know, sir. We have a bun out himself. The way I'm going, I have himself.
So the man pissed me off.
Between the songs and him chat too much.
Hey!
Between songs and
why Rastaman can talk so?
Talk too much. Oh my God. Bugle did a very good performance. Bugle, big up to you. Bugle happened.
Bugle do one piece a 30-minute speech before him come on.
Yeah.
And him but time introduction. Like, when you're aware, say, when you really get that much time to begin with. Off this choker. This is a cute choker. Put on back my everyday necklace. I rarely ever take this off. Like, the only time I take this off is if I do one service and them say to take care of. Or nights like this one, I really feel like it at this track. Right now makes sense. Enough time it not make sense with my outfit, them I'm still wear it, but hey. This was a gift from Swan for my birthday. Was it my birthday or was that Christmas present? One of them, but I know somebody asked for it. And I rarely take it off. That what I like with them clasp pen, them very hard. So there we go. Can't do that to the other nails. And then last night them time Last night them time I was set up I go on to Carter performance. I must say 4 o'clock come on before me take me ass come out of the building place. Oh, Carter not sing me a driving from Grange late. No, I want to hear me a driving from and because Spice never do ramping shot yet, mommy. Sharp. Yet, mommy never want to go away. So, oh, where for go catch the 5 o'clock bus? Catch the 5 o'clock bus. I have to finish up. Me come back soon when my bed ready. Or not. Even if I come back on the same breakfast. Good night, we wish you a good night. Ow! Alright. What's up, guys? You see what I'm talking about? When I get up early for breakfast. Not that early. Whoa, this first up. It's 11:05. I sent mommy down there from like 9 o'clock at 9:30. And she said down there was full, but she just called me and told me that I can still come because it's still open. So, may I hurry up and go down there. If it's even a little 10 minutes, I can get something and I'll take it. I will take it. This is a fog up, hold on. Guys, we don't say they too good for be true. Them like, come here and say, oh, them are going like 11:30 and lunchtime at 12 o'clock. Time I reach home 12:30 for lunch. Well, Peace and Patty ate to see me coming, but I forgot to eat today again. And then we're gonna check out and head home. I'm not gonna lie, I like the bed and everything, but something about my bed. My bed is not the most comfortable bed, but my bed. You understand them, really?
Everybody,
yeah.
yeah.
So I'm excited to see my bed and take a hot nap. Cause I beer power nap me I take up here, so cause that me for call it be 3 or 4 hours. I don't say that's a power nap, but you know so it feel. So yeah. Great weekend.
Yeah.
Just yeah. It's a really nice weekend.
Yeah.
So I could get them.
And breakfast was good. Breakfast was good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, nobody asked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick up them something and head home. I am back home. Praise be to God, we made it incident free. Past an accident on the way here, and that was really bad, so I'm really glad we made it back safely. Girl, girl. Guys, me I got one a fat nap right now. I'm not telling a lie. More sleep. Me driving did not get rid of the sleep, okay? I was fighting for my life. Like me have to bucky music wind down your window and just, you know, but me I go sleep right now. That means the rest of the day mash up because it's 3:05. When I wake up, I'm going to start editing this so you guys can get it tomorrow and edit everything else that I need to edit. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to make it to this far, drop a mango in the comment section down below. Again, big up Red Stripe, big up the whole team that I was there with. They really made me feel like I was a part of the family, and I really appreciate that. So yeah, I will see you guys next week in my next vlog. Until then, go and big up on yourself and don't take sleep for granted. Alright, bye. The battery I did.